I just found an untapped method you can use to make 10 grand a month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. In fact, it's an evergreen niche with high demand, and the best part is you don't have to download other people's video from TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, because I'm gonna show you a well-known website where you can find thousands of copyright-free videos to upload on Pinterest. Then I'm gonna show you how to monetize it properly using affiliate marketing. Let's get started. So when I was figuring out what would be the best niche to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest, I came across Google's new AI language model tool Bot AI, which is similar to ChatGPT, but it has up-to-date information. So I started asking the AI tool to give me a list of the most high-demand industries in Pinterest, and it gave me a list of up-to-date high-demand industries like home decor, fashion, beauty, etc, etc. But the problem with these niches is that they are super saturated. Fortunately, I found there was a super untapped niche with massive high demand, and it is woodworking. So I started researching on Pinterest just to see if people were creating content about woodworking, and I found that this account was posting different content about woodworking, and if I click on any of those pins, you'll see that it redirects us to the main affiliate product, which is a popular product that you can find on affiliate network called ClickBank. And if I look over here, they are getting up to 643,000 views on a monthly basis, and this account gets 4.6 million views on a monthly basis. And you can see over here they are promoting different affiliate products, which indicates that they are making lots of money in passive income. So that was just the tip of an iceberg, and now I'm gonna walk you through the process step by step. Step 1, go to ClickBank. It's an affiliate marketplace where you can find tons of other people's product and get paid up to $100 per sale. So sign up as an affiliate. After that, you're gonna land on this page and you'll find all these high selling products which you can promote and earn up to $100 per sale. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, because you don't have to deal with manufacturing the product, shipping the product and customer service. Everything is pretty much done for you, and all you have to do is just drive traffic to the affiliate offer and you can make thousands of dollars in passive income. Okay, so I'm gonna search here for Ted's woodworking project, and as you can see, this product has over 104 gravity score, which means 104 people have been making money promoting this product in the last 30 days. And you can see over here, this product is paying us $55 per sale. And if I click on the product page, you'll see what the website looks like. So as you can see, this is a training course for people who are interested in learning about woodworking. It has over 16,000 woodworking plans, including all different projects like tables, chairs, like all those different projects that people are looking to learn and they are ready to buy. And all you have to do to make money promoting this product is just watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna be showing you where to find tons of copyrighted free videos about woodworking, the best practices of creating high converting pins that gets massive amount of free traffic. I'm gonna show you how to create a high converting landing page using a free software which will help you make even more money. Alright, now to create your affiliate link, you simply have to click on promote. Then it's gonna ask you to enter your affiliate ID. So I'm gonna enter my affiliate ID, then simply click on create hop link. And this is the unique affiliate link given to you. So every time when someone clicks on this link and ends up buying the product, you're gonna be getting paid $55 on average. So I'm gonna copy this link and open it in a new tab just to see what the website looks like. So as you can see, there's a video sales letter. It has over 16,000 woodworking plans, and if I scroll down, you'll see that there is an add to cart button. Alright, so now what you want to do is open your notepad and paste your affiliate link for later use. Step 1 is officially completed. Let's dive into step 2, which is building a bridge page, aka landing page. Now, instead of sending traffic directly to an affiliate link, it's always a better option to build a landing page and then redirect them to an affiliate product, because of two main reasons. The first reason is simply because many social platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, etc, they don't like affiliate link on their platform, and they are very likely to ban your account. The second reason is having a high converting landing page helps to increase conversion and boost sales. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to build a high converting marketing landing page, all while using a completely free software that is fast and beginner friendly. So go to system.io or click the second link in the description below. It's gonna take you here, and all you have to do is simply create your account, and after that you'll land on this page. To start creating, simply click on funnels, then hit create, enter your funnel name. In this case I'm gonna write here woodworking. After that, you only have to select the custom funnel, then hit save. Then it's gonna give you the project you created. All you have to do is just click on the name and you land on this page. Now you simply have to click on the create step. After that, write here woodworking or anything related to that topic. Then right over here, it's gonna ask you what type of funnel you want to create. So I'm gonna click on that and select switch page. Then hit save. Now it's gonna give us done for you templates. There are many of them to choose from. You can select anything you like, but I'm gonna select this one. After that, you're gonna be redirected to this page where you simply have to click on this edit page button, and finally you'll be able to start creating the landing page. So what I want to do is delete everything because I want to start from scratch. Now drag this headline, change the font to Google font, and then select Poppins, and as you can see it has changed the font type. Now duplicate this headline, drag this image, scroll down and drag this button. Now simply go back to the offer page, copy this headline, come here to system.io, highlight everything and paste the headline. Do this as well as for the second headline and just copy and paste it over here. To make the headline look bold, simply highlight everything, then hit Ctrl+B, and if you're on a Mac, hit Command+B. Do this for the second headline as well and increase the size to 70. Alright, the headline part is done. Now it's time for the image. So come here to the offer page, screenshot this image, come here to system.io, click on this image bar and then click here to upload the file. Select this image, use screenshot and then insert the file. After that, slide this bar to the left and it's gonna decrease the size of the image so it looks professional. Once you're done, click on the button, make sure to change it to open URL. Then you're gonna scroll down to where it says button text. So you're gonna change that to show me how. Then you can also increase the text size and also change the font style. After that, scroll down to where it says subtext and change it to something like, yes, I want 16,000 woodworking plants. Increase the font size and there we go. Once you're done with that, you can also change the button color to red, green and yellow. So I'm gonna select yellow and change the text color to black as well as for the subtext. Make sure to click on this pop-up and delete everything. Otherwise, a pop-up will appear every time when someone visits your landing page, which is kinda annoying, so you don't want that to happen. Now copy your affiliate link from the notepad, click on this button and paste it over here. Do this as well as for the second image and paste your affiliate link. Then hit save and exit. So this one right here is our landing page. So let's copy this link and open it on a new tab just to see how it looks like, right? So voila, everything is perfect, and now you have seen how easy it is to build landing pages within minutes. After that, right over here, you'll see the domain name, right? And if you want to change it to something like woodworking, you can do so by clicking on settings and custom domain, and you can change from there to something like woodworking and then hit save. Alright, so far we found the product and we created a landing page. Now it's time to create a Pinterest business account. And creating a Pinterest account is so easy that a baby can do it. So head over to Pinterest and make sure to create a business account. Just enter your email, password and date of birth and hit create. Then it's gonna ask you for your business name, so write here anything related to your niche. I'm gonna write here woodworking made easy, and after that answer a couple of questions and your account will be created. Alright, now it's time to build your branding logo and a cover banner. So just go to luca.com. It's an amazing AI logo generator. Just type your brand name, click on get started. It's gonna ask you which industry you're in. I'm gonna write here woodworking. From there, select a template you like, select the color you want and hit continue. And voila, as you can see, it has created different logos that you can choose from, right? After creating the logo, it's time to add a short description. So head over to ChatGPT, ask it to give a description for Pinterest, which is in the woodworking and DIY niche, and it will give you an amazing description for Pinterest. So copy it and come here to Pinterest, click on edit profile and paste your description. After that, scroll down to where it says website link. This is where you're going to add your landing page URL. So copy your landing page URL and paste it over here. Then simply save it, and voila, our branding is officially done. Now it's time to create Pinterest pin. So head over to pexels.com, type here woodworking, and as you can see, it will give us tons of different videos about woodworking, and it's completely free to use for commercial. So you're gonna download up to as many videos as you want, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna download this one video. After that, head over to Canva and type here Pinterest idea pin. It will give you tons of templates you can choose from. I'm gonna select this one, then I'm gonna delete the background video as well as the text that I don't need. Then you're gonna highlight the text, write something about woodworking. For example, I'm gonna write here cool tips for woodworking. After that, I'm going to highlight everything, group them together and increase the size of the text so it looks something like this. Alright, now what you want to do is drag and drop this video. Make sure to fit to the screen so it looks professional. Once you're done, click on the duration tab. From there, decrease the length of the video and make it short. And once you're done, just click download. Now head over to Pinterest, click on create pin, upload the video you created, and in the title write here cool tips for woodworking. After that, copy and paste it in the description and include some hashtags related to woodworking. Then down here to where it says link in the destination, this is where you're gonna paste your landing page link. So let's go and copy our landing page link and paste it over here. After that, you'll see the tag topic option. So type here woodworking and it's going to give you all the tags related to woodworking. So select up to 8 tags, then you're gonna wanna hit publish, and voila, you just created your first pin on Pinterest as you embark on the journey of Pinterest affiliate marketing. I recommend you post consistently because consistent is the key, and the last step is to go to incomeinsider10x.com or click the first link in the description below to watch a free case study if you wanna make an extra $1,000 a day through affiliate marketing using YouTube ads.